Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and haven't gotten any solutions. I was just curious if anybody would be interested in commenting or giving any answers. So let's just jump into this and give you some of the thoughts that I had about other ways to print a number, and the number we picked was 3. So alright, let's think about things that return int values. So alright, I'm going to do name and give that. So alright, 0, 1, 2, 3. So name dot find e. Let's see, run that. 2 3s. Now what's one of the other ones? We have we could turn this into a list and name. That was it. And then we're going to find the index of it. So print name dot index of e, and what I forgot a parentheses. So now I got 3 3s, and let's see, what's another one? How about count? So we have what? Let's just do e. Let's make it capital. E. Close that out. Print e dot count e. Print that, and that should be 4 3s. So it's just something silly and goofy, but these are the type of things that I love to do to get your head thinking about all the tools that you have to solve problems, because you're going to run across something and you're going to have to think about how to make it or create it, but typically there's going to be something out there that would already solve your problem. So there's printing numbers, printing a number with no numbers. So alright, cool. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because by now hopefully you guys have realized that we have videos coming out every single day, and I don't want you guys missing anything. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.